it's loud. So does this mean it's a car with a laptop now? Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing really good. I'm trying to get this car started. It is not starting at all. Engine code that says the motor is disabled, which happens when you crank it for over a minute. Trying to reset that code, trying to reset the ECU so that I can get another shot of starting it up. So I just reset the codes and these two won't go away. It's the pressure too low for engine cranking, and it's this one. The motor is disabled. I feel bad for the battery because I've been like changing the tunes around and I've been resetting it and trying to start the car. I'm pretty sure my battery needs backup, and just try jumping this car. Have that battery connected to this car's battery so it doesn't die out. Load up the tune that was on here. Where is it? Tune, change ECU map. Okay, now it's gonna go back down to the version 5. Continue. Okay, so 100%. Let's wait for it to start. Load back in. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, first try, let's see if it starts. I don't think it will, but see, as you guys can see, it requires 1600 pressure, but we're only getting 122. First try. And it sounds horrible too. Yeah, that sounds kind of bad. This is like the 5th try. 6th try. Yeah, I don't know if I should keep going or I should just tow it. Okay, so I couldn't do it. It was not starting. Tried it like 8 times. It says the cranking time exceeded, and that's what happens. And now the motor is gonna go on disable mode again, and I have to reset the ECU again. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna go tow it to the shop. So we have to push the car from here to there. Trust me, it was a struggle, man. Alright, we made it back at VHP. See my car right there? Billy is over here too, trying to bark at anything he sees. Alright, just dropped off my charge pipes and my access port that I didn't give yesterday, but I think they'll be done by tomorrow. That's what Jason said. But yeah, I'm excited. There's so much fog. Like, there's fields on that side, but you barely can't see anything. Just picked up the car. Seems to work. Let me just see, and it's loud. I actually missed this thing. Like, it's been a while. I am waiting for Ryan to send me a brand new tune. I'm pretty sure it's really dark right now, but I'm sorry about that. Alright guys, the next day, you guys probably didn't see it yesterday because it was dark and it was already night, but the car is back. It works perfectly. Yes. Pretty happy now, so that's done. Let me just turn it off. Now I'm just gonna move that car in over here. Finally have both of my babies in the garage together. Waited for this car for a long time. This car needs some work done. Alright, so I just grabbed these from Amazon. They were a lot cheaper online than the local store. And love these Starbucks drinks. The new theme, amazing. But yeah, it's time to start on this. Billy in the wild. Go inside. Look, he's just gonna start barking and barking at neighbors' dogs. Hey! Alright, so it's the next day. I'm just gonna take all the parts out that I took out. I have the charge pipe, some couplers, more couplers. Like I said, if you guys want to buy this charge pipe, it's the SR Performance one. Just send me a DM and I'll definitely check it. And hopefully I can return this pump because now I just don't need it. Now I have the stock tune version 5 stock high pressure fuel pump. Does this mean it's a car with a laptop now? Alright, it was just a joke. Alright, this is a slow car. Alright. 100%. Supposed to be turning back on. There it is.